Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pink Mermaid. We're now in day 5 for our trip to Kahketi wine region. So we're gonna taste some wine, the best wine in Georgia. See you there.
Так, давайте сначала посмотрим на Лазанскую долину, а потом уже заглянем вот там.
So this is the 9th century Bon Saint Nino monastery, guys. There.
In this part. So she's buried, or that church is like a three-nave small basilic part. That one is quite recent. It's not completed yet because still entire part, the fresco painting and mosaic part is going. So according to the local legend, here was impossible because here was no water and no spring at all. So Saint Nino just to the spot, and then she said, and also some pears and.
Berries and pears and apples. So these are agricultures from made by nuns in this monastery.
The road is open, so you'll be able to go there. So we're always located somewhere in the central part. So this is eastern part of the range. So in the center,
Caucasus Mountain.
there is Godauri. Godauri and Azmegi area. And I would like to discuss one thing. Actually, park.
Really?
And it's simple actually. You just need 4 persons. I mean,
To witness?
yeah, like 2 witnesses and couple.
There is divorce here?
Divorce?
Divorce?
No divorce, but getting married is here. And they're getting married, so you can get married in like 10-15 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
But I need to find first someone before getting intent and
Just get married without papers? Without...
Yeah, guys. So I exchanged my $100 there in the TBC bank just to go paragliding. Yes. Oh,
Ano, magkano palit dyan?
3.04. So we're here in this restaurant. We're gonna have our lunch here, and it's a very nice view. We're just gonna have our lunch first because we're quite hungry also. Here. I'm here, guys. They have a, what do you call this, shimi?
Yes.
Oh, I need to warm my hands.
Yeah.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. I'm trying the aroma up here.
Because Philippines wants to be globally. Oh, sorry, it's okay.
I know someone.
It's cold now. It's cold latte.
Going for wine tasting. We are now at Wine Factory in Kahketi region.
I think that from 24th of December officially it should be open.
Wow.
So that depends. Which one? I think the Godauri part. Yeah, I think that from 24th of December all the cable cars and ski and stuff should be open because they.
Yeah, she told me that
California.
ski, no ski.
KTW.
So we can take like 10, 20, 100 liter.
That's mine. Then we will go to the next stop. We just finished.
Okay, here we have white dry wine and the same chawel and grapes are same. Chawel has red skin but inside it's white. And this wine we keep in clay pot and underground. Chawel is first wine which Georgia tasted 8,000 years ago. And this one you can drink with fish and chicken.
Fish and chicken.
Fish and chicken. May paganon pala.
What about pork? Ay, God, ang sarap nun, no?
36. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers, everyone. Cheers.
Magloba.
Here means Gagui Marjos.
Gagi Marjos.
Dagi Marjos.
Gagi Marjos.
Oh, I like that better.
Gagi Marjos.
The other one.
The white wine you can drink cold and also red wine good for low pressure and low hemoglobin.
Thank you. Maglova.
Bango ng amoy.
Cheers. Hi.
Even wine.
Cheers.
So this is one of the rare. It's nice.
Brandy
Oh
and
my
we
God.
keep it in oak barrels and oak barrel we have from French and it tastes chocolate.
Wow.
Wow.
Yes, and it's also my favorite.
Mm.
When you drink this, you feel good, okay?
Maklava.
Thank you so much.
Let it stay in your mouth.
Guys, we just finished wine tasting and we feel so good. What's your favorite?
I like the wines. My favorite is the brandy.
I just want to mention one thing that this is like this is quite a tricky question when they say which is the best wine. So best wine is the wine you like.
I like 36 and 31.
Of course, the best one because you like it.
Yeah.
36.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So we're coming back to the store. See you guys later. Bye.
It's worth it.
Now this is the Tvishi.
Tvishi.
That's the 36. The white wine.
Yeah.
Your favorite.
Sa'yo yung number 2? What's the number?
Yeah. I'm buying the 36 and
30.
30. This is Tvishi. Tvishi, the white wine.
Tvishi white wine and Fantica rice.
Yeah. I'm buying right now, guys. I'll bring it to Qatar. I'm trying, but they said it's okay to bring 2 bottles in Qatar. So.
It's hard to say.
Yeah. So how much is it all?
All 112.
112. Okay. Thank you.
Yan, picture naman dyan sa wine na dyan.
Sige, te. No problem, te. Just making a 360 view. So I paid by card, guys. Hi, guys. I just arrived from the Kahketi region tours and I bought some wine because we passed by. One of our trip was in Kahketi region where you can buy the cheapest wine because it's the main wine factory in Georgia. Like 80% of wine that is distributed in Georgia is coming from that region. And so I will show you what I have bought, but I'm really not sure if I can bring this to Qatar because it is really not a lot. So first, this is the red wine. Yes, and it's naturally sweet, semi-sweet. It's limited edition. Yes, and it's very rare. Like you need to have a good timing to buy this. But but I really don't know how I can finish this. I only have 24 hours remaining before my trip. Next is the white wine. They called it Tvishi. Yes, it's there. This is very sweet, guys. Like, it's the number 36. It's very sweet. You love when you try it. Yes, surely it's a white wine, and it's, yeah, it's very lamig kayo siya, as in try nyo talaga. And I also have here cherry non-alcoholic juice, and I am still not sure if I can also bring this to Qatar, because though it's not alcoholic, but bringing something from other country, maybe you need some papers or tax or custody, I don't know. But I want to bring this for my family in Doha, so I can spend Christmas with them and drink all these three here. See you guys, and I really enjoyed today. Thank you. Bye bye.